Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on this channel and I've been planning to do this video for a long time. Voila, I'm here. Hey! Basically, what this channel will be about is strategies. It's going to be talking about tricks and tips of how you're going to pass your Pearson test of English. We're going to be looking at test results, evaluating them, looking at them really to know what you need to do to make your scores better. You know, before now, I was once a test taker. So I'm going to show you all the things you need to know about the Pearson test of English. I've also been a PTE tutor for over a year now, where I coach people. I take them through series of training on different tasks of the PTE so that they can get the score they are looking for. And have they been doing well? Yes, pretty well. It may not be all of them getting that particular score they're looking for, but more than half of them have gotten that particular score they are looking for in different tasks. That's why I would want you to subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe to this channel, there are a lot of things that you stand to gain. It's those tricks that you need to ace that score that you're looking for. Recently, I tried out some of my strategies and they are working. I'm going to write the PTE mock again to make sure that I try out the other strategies and to make sure that I'm giving my students the things that will be relevant to them as they prepare for their PTE exam. I also enrolled for extra classes for myself, where I'm updating my skills, where I'm increasing my knowledge on the PTE. Stick with me on this journey as you prepare for your PTE. You're going to get those strategies, those tricks that will make you ace your score that you're looking for. You can follow me on Instagram because I'm also on Instagram at English_prep class. You can find me on Facebook at English Prep Class. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on your notification button so that you know when we go on live or when we have new videos. I have this video that's coming up that I know you'll be interested in. 3 lies about the PTE. These are not the only lies, but just make sure you turn on your notification bell so when I share this video, you'll be one of the first persons to receive them. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Now I want you to leave comments on any question you have in this journey of your Pearson test of English preparation. See you next time guys. Bye guys.